इन हिंदी, अरे भाई चिल्लाओ मत, जरा करके देखाओ। इन বাংলা, ভাই এত কথা বললেন না তো, পারলে কইরা দেখান। In English, put your money where your mouth is. The meaning of this vital word is that don't just tell please, take action to make things happen. Take massive action to the right point, right time to bring the result. This is a very vital word which need to develop in our personal life and business as well. In our personal life, this is mostly connected to our self-development. We should be promised with ourselves to develop our life and skill and knowledge. Say for example, if one person decided to lose his weight, he need to be fully committed with himself. He need to fix the number, how much weight he want to lose. He need to set a target date for 30 days, 60 days or 90 days. And he need to go to gym every day, maintain proper diet to execute this. If he remain fully committed with himself, then result will come. On the other hand, if this guy just to tell his friends, family or other person, I want to lose weight, nothing will be happen. So he need to take action. We need to be fully committed with ourselves, with our words. So put your money where your mouth is. That means put your whole energy and proper action to bring result and execute the things. See, this world is full of false commitment and people hardly trust another people nowadays. Before the election, the politicians tell they will give facilities of current, gas and water. But after election, they forgot everything. The boy promised to this girl he will marry her, but finally he married to another girl. The girl said to the boy, God made me just for you. But finally this girl married to a banker with big belly, with less hair, rich person. So there is a massive value of commitment and keep our words. This is really highly related with our friends and family also. If you see your friends and family are struggling in one point, don't just give false hope to them. Just figure out in which point they are struggling and make a plan how you can support them. If you draw a solution for their problem or their struggling point, they will receive this as a gift from you and they will be happy. But if you promise with them, you will solve this, you will do this, but finally you don't do, they will be hopeless. And the relationship will also be fall down. In our society, we need to do commitment as well. We are such a people. In the tea stalls, we are engaged with the discussion with other people. Brother, our country is very dirty. This is not clean. But after 1 minute, we put our potato chips packet and water bottles over the drain beside the footpath. As a citizen, if we keep our words and promise with our country and society also to make it clean, then the country will be clean. So this is the way we need to execute, just not say, take action and make it happen. I'm just going to discuss this point in business point of view. I remember in 2015, in one of our business meetings, there was a lady buyer from Germany. This lady customer was telling to our company CEO, you are the man, Mr. CEO. In last meeting, you told me you will develop the product quality and improve the service as well. You promised many things, but finally nothing happened. Today I also can remember how shameful the comment was for us. So customer always want better support and customer always deserve the supplier or business partner will keep their word. So in your business, you need to be promised with your time, delivery, service and quality as well. If you have any limitation in your business to give the proper support, you can share with the customer. But don't do any false commitment. What you cannot do, don't tell this. What you can, just tell this and make it happen. And in the employee point of view, sometimes there are many companies, they promise to their employee for their promotion and facilities, and end of the year, they reduce this, or they somehow they miss this. So employee get disheartened. In this situation, the employee reduce their work speed and they lose their motivation as well. So don't do this. If you provide the better thing, better support and better service facilities to your employee, they will be happy. So don't do any false commitment. Just make it happen and let your employee know that you are a umbrella over their head, and they will be happy enough. They will always remain motivated, and your sale and company growth will also be increase. Regarding the business partners, always be promised and establish a good ethics to pay your partners on time as per your promise. If you do this, you will get many investors, and your partners will also cooperate you a lot to increase your business and sales. And about your product, just don't tell to the customer that your product is good, it will work fine, it will solve the problem. Don't do this. Do research and develop your product like that way. Let your product speak with the customer. Let your product prove them how much quality strength you have. So that will blow your customer mind. They will be happy and their confidence will build up. They will take risk to do long time business with you. And regarding the company growth, sometimes many people or many company promise that we are making another unit from next year, we will do another plant. But finally, after this year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year gone, the manufacturing plant not established, or construction work not completed. So this kind of false commitment actually disheartened the customer and spoil the reputation of a company. So in a point, at a glance, the final word is that whatever you will speak, you must have to make it happen. So put your money where your mouth is. The main motto is that take massive action to make your word true and make your promise in reality to bring the result. Don't just tell for tell. You need to make it happen, and you need to prove that your word has a value and you have a very good ethic to keep your commitment. Finally, I will request you develop this habit permanently inside you, which will be very vital role play in your personal life and business as well. And thank you guys. My request is that if you have time, please subscribe this channel to support me.